Hi everyone, this is Audrey and I'm the Product Manager at Thermo Fisher Scientific, covering the molecular and sample preparation portfolio across Southeast Asia. In this presentation, I will introduce to you our new KingFisher SpeciTRAX sample transfer system, which will be launched soon in July this year. This new versatile automated sample handling system offers a new combination of sample handling automation technology that delivers increased throughput, consistent results, and safety while relieving your process bottleneck and freeing up your time for more meaningful work. When you are handling 1,000 samples or more a day, the greatest bottleneck is in the sample processing, which takes up the most user hands-on time and effort. Each sample requires tube uncapping and recapping, proper sample tracking and traceability, accurate pipetting, accurate well placement. And by doing this manually, it will definitely be a struggle to increase your throughput. Another common challenge in a high throughput lab is retaining staff and talent and taking care of your staff's safety and welfare. This is where our new KingFisher SpeciTRAX sample transfer system may be a perfect complement to your high throughput workflow. This affordable solution automates uncapping, recapping, tracking, and sample transfer using advanced robotic technology for increased throughput and efficiency. Up to 192 samples from capped sample tubes are transferred in 40 minutes, enabling flexibility, efficiency, and process quality. The closed-door design supports increased safety and staff welfare. There is a tube-to-well sample tracking for improved traceability. And precision pipetting allows for improved consistency and reproducibility of your results, allowing for enhanced performance of downstream analysis. Let's take a closer look at the features of the KingFisher SpeciTRAX sample transfer system. This closed-door system comes with safety features such as HEPA filtration and UV light, and used pipette tips are automatically removed and dispensed into the biohazardous waste receptacle below the instrument deck. On the right is a zoom in on the features on the instrument deck. Going clockwise, we have the decapper and recapper, the barcode scanners, the robotic arm, the dual pipetters, which uses these fluid sensing tips, and we have the racks for 96 deep well plates, as well as the racks for the tubes. The KingFisher SpeciTRAX sample transfer system requires only minimal user steps. The user only needs to perform 3 simple steps prior to the sample processing. First, load the sample tubes into designated racks and place these racks on the instrument deck. Second, load 2 deep well plates and tip containers on the instrument deck. And third, select protocol parameters in the SpeciTRAX software and start the run. From there, the robotic arm on the instrument will grip individual sample tubes from the sample rack. Next, it will scan the barcode for tracking. And next, it uncaps the sample tubes using a dual uncapping mechanism. Dual precision robotic pipetters equipped with fluid sensing tips then aspirate the predetermined sample volume. It then moves to the predetermined plate location to dispense the sample into the wells. Finally, The sample tube is immediately recapped and placed back in its original position on the instrument deck. The user can then review the output file and unload the 96 deep well plates for downstream processing. Here is a visualization of what your lab can accomplish with a KingFisher SpeciTRAX system. In this visualization, saliva samples are used for infectious disease testing. First, saliva is collected in the Thermo SpeciMax saliva collection devices. The SpeciTRAX system is then used for automated sample transfer of the samples from 192 collection tubes to 296 deep well plates. The 296 deep well plates containing the samples are then processed on 2 KingFisher instruments using the MagMax Viral Pathogen 2 Nucleic Acid Isolation Kit. And finally, viral detection by qPCR is performed using the extracted viral nucleic acids using 4 Applied Biosystems QuantStudio real-time PCR systems. With such a setup, in 16 hours, you will be able to process and analyze more than 3,400 samples. By automating the manual steps prior to nucleic acid extraction, particularly by using one KingFisher SpeciTRAX automated sample transfer system feeding 2 KingFisher purification systems, you will be able to achieve a turnaround time of 192 samples in just 3 hours and 15 minutes. The KingFisher SpeciTRAX sample transfer system can also be used as part of a high-throughput sequencing workflow to detect new viral mutations, for instance. In this visual, samples can be analyzed by NGS using our Ion Torrent GeneX system or Sanger sequencing using the SeqStudio genetic analyzer. As mentioned previously, the KingFisher SpeciTRAX system comes with safety features that support increased safety and staff welfare. The closed-door system minimizes exposure to biohazardous samples. The tempered glass door lifts for setup procedures and then is locked for the duration of the run. The instrument also has a UV light built into the instrument deck for decontamination. A HEPA filtration system removes airborne particles that are larger than 0.3 microns in size and filters microorganisms, keeping the user and the environment safe. And with regards to biohazardous waste management, used pipette tips are automatically removed and dispensed into the biohazardous waste receptacle below the instrument deck. There is a pause option for waste removal during a run. The KingFisher SpeciTRAX system has sensors that automatically scan barcoded sample tubes and track the sample to well plate designation within the KingFisher SpeciTRAX software. The software then visually displays the sample to well plate designation for easy review by the user, which reduces errors and increases consistency. With this capability, labor and manpower required is greatly reduced, and only one technician is needed to initialize and complete a run. Precision pipetting within the system enables the ability to maintain consistent results across runs and different users, which is crucial for sensitive downstream applications. Dual pipetters accurately aliquot 10 to 1000 microliters and dispense into wells, while fluid sensing tips allow for sample types of varying viscosity. The KingFisher SpeciTRAX system is compatible with various types of sample tubes, such as the SpeciMax saliva collection tubes, as well as a variety of tubes from other suppliers. Generally, it is an excellent fit on 5mm and 10mm transport tubes with screw caps. For additional details on compatible tubes, please contact your nearest sales representative. The surefire design of the SpeciTRAX system and intuitive software ensures that you can easily adopt it. Intuitive software ensures that protocol setup is fast, as steps are presented in a simple visual format. An illustrative menu within the software eliminates the need for extensive training, reduces potential for error, and helps your staff ramp up quickly. Surefire design features, such as sample racks that snap into place on the instrument deck, help prevent misalignment. Consumable pipette tip boxes and deep well plates have interlocking tabs that contribute to overall process consistency. The KingFisher SpeciTRAX system allows you to easily customize your workflow. An open software platform allows you to quickly optimize any step in your protocol directly from the touchscreen user interface or an Excel file for customized applications or workflow modifications. You can easily make parameter variations for tubes, plates, and aspiration and dispensing volumes. You can easily configure or preset the liquid handling parameters and transfer volumes. Plate layout and sample transfer paths can also be predefined. This option is convenient for situations when specific wells need to be blank for manual transfers, such as controls. Visual guides make it simple to edit or customize protocols, and instrument-defined limits reduce errors in protocol modifications. Here are the detailed instrument specifications, which can be found on our website and in our product brochure, so do reach out to your sales rep for a brochure. With the KingFisher SpeciTRAX system, you can expect unrivaled service and support. Thermo Fisher Scientific offers a comprehensive range of services and support to keep your KingFisher SpeciTRAX system performing at a peak level. Every KingFisher SpeciTRAX system comes with a 1-year warranty. Extended coverage service plans, such as our AB Assurance Plan, are also available at the time of your instrument purchase. Whether your laboratory requires the highest service levels and adherence to stringent regulatory research guidelines, or you need to maximize performance with a limited budget, or anything in between, we'll work with you to develop a solution that best suits your needs. Every SpeciTRAX purchase also comes with a world-class customer concierge service to help ensure seamless implementation of your SpeciTRAX system. And when it comes to servicing your SpeciTRAX system or addressing your workflow application questions, we have more than 2,000 trained professionals ready to assist you. Here is the ordering information for the KingFisher SpeciTRAX system and our KingFisher Apex and Flex purification system and the associated consumables and accessories. and more ordering information. For sample collection products, I previously mentioned our SpeciMax saliva collection tubes, which are compatible with the KingFisher SpeciTRAX system. And we also have a wide variety of nucleic acid purification kits for the KingFisher purification system. And here are just a few on the list. For more information on the SpeciTRAX system and to see some videos on how this system works, do visit thermofisher.com/SpeciTRAX for more information or reach out to your nearest sales rep. With that, thank you very much for your time.